my channel. We got a lot of things done in the yard so far. We still have quite a bit left to do, but there's some things that really need to get done before it gets too cold out. Today is one of the nice days, or nicer days, that we're supposed to be having in the next couple of days. So I didn't do anything the last couple of days because it's been so windy out. Temperatures dropping down into the 30s at night, 40s during the day. So today is supposed to reach in the 60s, low 60s, and right now it's probably around 50 something. So I figured let me get out here and get some things done. So I may not be able to record everything because it's so windy, and like as you can see now, the wind is really blowing the tripod and I have my foot on it to try to keep it still. So, but when I get done, I'll show you guys what I've done so far and let you know what my plans are. So, like I said, I don't know if I'll be able to get everything on video today, but we'll see. Okay guys, so I'm done for now. As you can see, I did lay down the mulch and I connected the side yard to the backyard. I did plant under the Japanese maple, some coral bells, a holly bush, and down here I planted some cone flowers. I forgot the variety, the tag is outside, and some sky blue marble salvia. They did die back, of course, because it is the fall. So here you go, connected with the backyard. So stay tuned for more, because now we're moving to the inside. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You know why. See ya.